This is not a how-to video. This is just documenting the process I went through when I decided I was going to build my first computer versus buying one. So to house this whole computer, I got the Thermaltake case, a mid-size one. I chose the AMD platform, the Ryzen 5 2600 CPU with its included cooling fan, the Asus Prime B450M/A motherboard, and I got two 8GB sticks of memory, and there's 4 slots, so I can double it to 32 gigs if I so choose to. I went with a Zotac GeForce GT 1030 graphics card when I was initially going for my budget, and I got the processor. I chose one with the graphics built in, and then I upgraded the processor and I needed a graphics card. I have the ARESGAME 500 watt bronze level power supply, which will give power to all the components in the computer. I found a very affordable SSD drive for my boot drive, software, and all that. The Inland SSD, simple and fast drive. And I got a Seagate 2TB hard drive for storage and files. I did purchase one extra fan for inside the case. So I decided I needed a new computer, and I could have either bought one or built one, and this is my first build. I decided that just for the challenge, and you can get a lot more bang for your buck if you do it yourself, and you can customize it to your budget and to the specs you need. And I'm not that picky. I don't have a heavy load that I throw on it. I'm not a gamer, so I didn't need the latest greatest processing speeds. I don't overclock. I'm just gonna run it as stable because I do the audio and video production and live streaming. And I use the Midas M32R live mixing console. It's a USB connector, and I can record 32 tracks into the computer through that, and I can also route 32 tracks back into the mixer from my software program. And this console has plenty of internal power for gates, compressors, equalizers. It has 4 auxiliary effects engines for reverbs or delays or whatever you choose. And it also has 4 insertable effects engines when you just want that right touch, maybe 1176 type compressor. You can bring that right into your channel or bus that you are working with. And I like to mix quick small projects in the box. It keeps it simple when time's a factor. When I start increasing channel count doing musical events, I do like the faders and buttons to physically touch, so I'll run out of the box, I'll mix within the Midas, and I'll either mix to the internal card or I'll go right back into the software and record my mixes into there. This mixer gives me a lot more power out of the box, so I don't need real heavy-duty processing power in the computer, although I do my editing and I can do automation in the box. I also can apply console simulated plugins, tape simulation plugins, and any other specialties I need. I can use them in the box, and I can also come out and rely on the power of the mixer itself. So yeah, when I put this computer together, it got a little time consuming because of my first build, and I wanted to get it right. But everything booted up on the first boot, and I got the Windows installed and had to get my programs installed and drivers set up, and it was fun. It didn't take very long, but I didn't do it all in one day. I spaced it out between my schedule, and it was it was a fun process overall.